Wait.
Yeah.
Come here. How much time did I tell you I have to call you? How much time did I call you?
What?
You know what I don't know. You good, huh?
Hey, sorry. Hey, sorry.
BCT. DFG. Get on the ground, eh? Stand up. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. You think you're hard, huh? You think you're hard, huh? Why you not crying, eh? Get on the Pretty soon you make my high blood pressure go up, eh? That's where you go. Go make me a sandwich.
Okay.
Make me a sandwich.
No bread.
The bread.
Sorry.
What's the bread right here?
Okay.
Huh? What's the bread right here? I'm stupid. I'm stupid. You must get like 50 days. Make my sandwich.
Okay.
Hurry up!
Okay. I can't open.
You can't open it. Do I teach you how? Do I teach you how to open a bread, huh? Go to your room.
Okay.
Make my sandwich. Make my sandwich, then go to your room.
Okay. Bro.
I don't care.
Okay.
Eat that. Eat it. Eat it before I beat you
I
up.
don't like it.
I shot you. Eat it. Eat it. Eat. Hey! Don't spit it out. Eat it.
Okay.
Eat it. I said eat it. Are you eating it? Eat it. Eat it. Go to your room.
Okay.
I'm sick and tired of you being jiffy too much. Looking like jiffy. Go. Go. I'm gonna get you, eh? I'm gonna get you, eh? Make my own sandwich. You stupid kids. Act like the parents don't raise you, right? Stupid. And who put the bologna in the freezer? Huh? You stupid Samoan. Thirsty, I want some Kool-Aid. What you looking at, huh? Want me slap you